All right, so looking back at this again, if we click here, we bring it over. Now you'll see if you move up to here and bring it down, you can see the little dashed lines. It's telling you where to line it up with. Draw another line there to there, and that there is that there part completed. Now, there it is. So if we look at the drawing here now, we've got this hole in here. We've got to put in this little slot. This is for holding the actual motor in place. So we can see if we draw a line straight down here, that's telling us where it's going to be, and then it's down 24. Both holes are 3.5 and they're 4 millimeters apart. So we want to draw a circle. Like I said, it's coming straight down from here. And then we're going to draw the other circle. You don't have, I'm trying to keep these all in line. All right. So it's much easier then when you go to Smart Dimension, you only have to Smart Dimension 1. So they are both 3.5. So D on your keyboard dimension here, 3.5. And this one, 3.5. And they're 4 millimeters apart. And they're down 24. So from here to here, 24. And from here to here is 4. So next what we have to do is we draw a line, L on our keyboard. Pick the top of this circle to the top of this circle. And hit line again. Bottom of this circle to the bottom of this circle. Now what we're going to want to do is make sure that they're tangential. So tangent here. So click this and this. And again tangential. This and this. And keep going around it like that just to make sure that they're all tangent lines. Then trim again. M on your keyboard, trim here, and that's that little notch sticking out there. Next, what we have to do now is take out this part. This is going to hold the gears. So as we can see, it's 24, 13, and then up 12. So draw a small circle here, and again, keep those in line. You can see if we go into the center and drag it out, there'll be a little dashed orange line. So it's over 24 from the end. So dim on our keyboard from here to here. And then these are 13 apart. Again, dimension from here to here. 13 apart. And then up 12 from the bottom. And then this hole is 4.5. And this other hole is diameter 10. Now I've just got to draw a line from here across, from the top of this circle. So line or L on our keyboard. Here, straight across. Line again, bottom, straight across. I'm just going to make sure that those are tangential. Click here. You can see this moves slightly there now just to make sure. M, trim on our keyboard. Trim that, trim that, trim that, trim that. And that's that part there complete. And the last thing we want to do is put this little fillet on it here, and then we're done. Actually, we want to put our little crosshairs in it as well. So no wild harm. Line again. Okay, and they'll help us. We'll dot punch those and they'll give us a guide for the actual piece. Now the last thing we want to do is a fillet here. Radius 5. Let's just double check if that's okay. Radius 5. Green tick that. And that's us done now. So you want to then click share that there with me then, and then I'll convert that into a drawing.